Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arya Ferdiansyah Putra, and in this video, I will explain about newsletter classification. We start. First, in this command, pip3 install blah 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 is for install or library required for the project. The library required is NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, scikit-learn, scikit-image, scikit-learn, and MLX10. Next is dataset preparation. In the dataset preparation, we have first is standard library, import library. For the machine learning libraries is HOG feature extraction, that from scimage the feature import HOG, and we can see in this cell the import library. Next we have the data image, data labels. This section loads image data and corresponding labels from the newsletter dataset. Next is dataset structure. Each image size equal 28 times 28 pixel, and grayscale image flatten into 784 values. 28 rows times 28 column equals 784 pixels. Next, displaying the first image. There are reshapes 28 times 28. Change the flattened 784 pixel vector back into a 28 times 28 image. And the T is the transpose operation, and its images are rotated incorrectly by default. Transpose fixes the image orientation, and displaying grayscale image to CMap equal grayscale, show image in black and white. And next is in this cell we have print jumlah gambar and print jumlah label. It means this prints is total number of images and total number of labels. Both number must be equal. And next, data labels equal data labels minus 1. In mnewsletter, labels start from 1 until 26. But machine learning model usually use 0 until 25. So 1 becomes 0, letter A. 2 becomes 1, letter B, etc. and etc. Next, data image equal numpy array data image convert dataset into numpy arrays for easier processing. And the select image is this list store select samples, and for class edx is loop through 0, like 0 is A, 1 B, 2 C, and etc. And for the edx equal numpy dot where is to find positions where label match the current class. This process ensures balance the data selection from every letter category. Oh, okay. Next, in this cell, we I will explain this cell. Dataset is divided into 80% training data and 20% testing data. So test size equal the parameter test size equal 0.2. 20% of data becomes testing data. And random state equal 42 is ensure reproducible random splitting. And Stratify equal y subset keeps class distribution balance. Example, if class A has 10% of total data training and testing, sets also maintain 10%. And next, feature extraction, feature and HOG image. What is HOG? HOG is histogram of oriented gradients. It extracts edges gradients shape pattern instead of raw pixel. Why use HOG? Raw pixels are sensitive to noise, rotation, lighting. HOG focus on shape structure, making classification better. HOG parameter orientation equals 8. The gradient direction are divided into 8 bins, and pixel per cell equal 4 times 4. Each cell contains 4 times 4 pixels, and cell per block normalization is applied over 2 times 2 cell. Block norm L2 applies L2 normalization for better feature scaling. Okay, this plt.bar display HOG feature values as a bar graph. Each bar represents one extract feature. And next is the def HOG features. This function extracts HOG feature from all images. Inside the function, look through image. For image in image, process image one by one, and feature extract HOG feature. Feature equal HOG extract gradient feature, and store feature feature.append feature stores extract feature factor, and convert to NumPy array. It's written, and NumPy.array returns all feature in array form. And Setting HOG parameter using orientation equal 8 pixel per cell and cell per block. This parameter control feature extraction behavior. And this cell is transforms training image testing image into HOG feature vector. The result, instead of raw pixel, machine learning receive numerical feature vector. Okay, print this cell is this cell show number of samples, number of extract HOG feature. Example, the number is 1 to 12,000 and 480 and 1,568, meaning 12,000 is image and 100 is HOG feature per image. Okay, classification, param.grid, param.grid. Okay, C, control classification strictness. Small c, simpler models, more tolerance to error. Large C tries harder to classify correctly, may overfit. Kernel determines classification boundary type. Linear, straight decision boundary. RBF, non-linear boundary, very powerful for image classification. Polynomial, polynomial shape boundary. Gamma, control influence range of training sample. And SVM equal SVC. Grid search CV tries all parameter combination automatically. CV equal to used to cross validation, data split 50% training and 50% validation, then swipe. N underscore jobs equals -1, use all CPU cores. It means use all CPU cores. And verbose equal to is display training progress. And next cell is grid search, the fit. This is the main training process. The system tries all parameter combination and trains SVM, evaluates performance, and choose the best model. Okay, next is the print best parameter and print performance. First, print best parameter, display the best C, kernel, and gamma found during training. And okay, saving best model equal grid search dot best estimate estimator. Store the best performing train SVM model. Okay, next is test spread equal best model is the train model predict label for unseen test image. and the print accuracy score measure overall prediction correctness formula. Okay. Next classification report is metric explain precision. How many predicted letters are correct? Precision equal TP per TP plus FP. Recall how many actual letters are successfully detected. F1 score balance between precision and recall. And CM equal confusion matrix. Confusion matrix shows correct prediction and incorrect prediction for every class. SNS dot heatmap display prediction performance visually, darker blue, more prediction, diagonal values, correct classification of diagonal values, misclassification. Okay. Next, we have in the indices equal random dot sample. Randomly select 10 testing images. Look for E is process is select image, and true label and pred label. Getting true and predict label is from the true label and pred label, and displaying result plt.title T true label, T for true label, and P for predicted label. Okay, maybe that's all. What can I explain about this project, about this midterm exam, MNIST letter classification, and thank you.